But that again is a great way of not overcooking your proteins, or if you like beef, you know, and you like it kind of very rare or medium rare, you can set it at, you know, 58 or 60 or whatever you choose. Whereas with pork and chicken, we must go to 75 because it kills off the bacteria that is so bad. But it's great. I had a home visit where the mother asked me, well, she called her son down and said, this lady's going to teach you how to, when your sausages are cooked, you see. She said, because he puts them in there just till they're warm. Oh. And she says, I do worry because I don't get home from work till later. But she had an oven with a probe. So I said to this young man, I said, we just put the probe into one sausage. And I showed him how to set the temperature, how to set it so that it went to 75 for the sausage. And he went, oh, that's easy, I can do that. So